Hi guys, happy Thursday. Today we get to cook together. So what we're gonna make is microwave popcorn. I'm really excited. As you can see, I'm in my kitchen and we're gonna make some popcorn. So what is our very first step when we come to cook? We need to wash our hands. So I'm gonna go over to our sink and then I'm gonna come right back and we can get started. Okay, so now that my hands are washed, what is our next step? Does anybody remember? We need to gather supplies and we need to read our directions. So for microwave popcorn, we need popcorn in a bag, we need a bowl to eat it, and then we need our microwave. So I'm gonna show you guys my microwave in my kitchen. It's over here, right over here. So now I'm gonna read all of our instructions and then we can cook after that. So we've got our microwave popcorn, we've got our bowl, we've got our microwave. So let's see what we're gonna have to do. On the bag, it gives us images of what's first. It says we need to open up our bag and place it inside the microwave. After that, we need to press the microwave popcorn button. And then we're just gonna wait until the popcorn starts to pop. When the popcorn slows down, that means it's ready. We don't wanna leave it there for too long or else it will burn. Okay, so let's get started. So we're gonna open this up and put it in our microwave. I'm gonna press open. I'm gonna put it in. Okay, now that it's closed, I'm gonna find the popcorn button and then it'll get started. So as I wait, I wanna listen for the popcorn. As the popcorn's cooking in the microwave, I'm going to wait and listen for it to pop. Once it starts popping a lot, I'm gonna go back over to it and I'm going to wait for the popcorn to slow down. Okay, I'm hearing my popcorn start to pop, so I'm gonna go over to my microwave and I'm gonna listen to it. Do you see how the popcorn bag is starting to fill up? That's really good. It's still popping quite a bit. I'm so excited. Oh, it's starting to slow down. Okay, I'm not hearing many pops, so I'm gonna stop it. And I'm gonna take my bag out of the microwave. Look at that, it's so full. Okay, my last step is that I'm gonna take it out of the bag and put it in the bowl so that I can eat it with my brother and sister or my mom and dad or my roommates, or I can just have it all to myself. So I'm gonna open it up. This is kind of hot, so if you need help, make sure you ask for help. You can say, help, please. So, we got it open. I'm gonna take my bowl. I'm gonna dump it. After I dumped it, I've got all my popcorn ready to eat. So the last step before I can go eat my popcorn is I need to throw my trash away because we've got to clean up, right? So I'm gonna go throw this away in the trash. And now we're ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoy it. I wish I was there with you guys, but I cannot wait to see how your popcorn turns out. Hopefully you guys can send in a picture and share it with all of us. I'll talk to you guys on Friday.